Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to remove SIM card from iPhone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, check the side of mobile phone, and here you can see a tray with a small hole. So you can see this is the tray with a small hole. So use a pin and then insert that pin in the hole and then slightly push. So after slightly pushing, the tray is coming out and you can see the SIM is removed. So guys, in this way you can remove SIM card from any iPhone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.